Good morning and Jai Hind everyone. So in the previous class we were studying introducing Python. We were on topic variables. So I'll continue with the same topic. First topic for today is rules to write the variable names. There are certain rules in Python which have to be followed to form a valid variable names. The rules for valid identifier variable name are: a variable name must start with an alphabet, capital or small, or an underscore. A variable name can consist of alphabets, digits, and underscore. No other character is allowed. A Python keyword cannot be used as a variable name. Let's know more. A keyword is a word that conveys a special meaning to the compiler. A variable name can be of any length. Variable names are case sensitive. Example, age and age are different variable names. Examples of some valid variable names are: these are some example of some valid variable names. Following are the example of some invalid variable names. So employee code, space is not allowed in variable name. 10 code, variable name cannot start with a digit. ABC limited, dot is not allowed in variable name. ABC @limited, special characters are not allowed in variable names. Else is a keyword in Python, so it cannot be used as a variable name. If a variable is being used without assigning a value, that is, if the variable is not defined, it gives an error. The above code gives an error because the variable x is used in the print function without being defined. Let's know more. A compiler is a language processor that converts a program written in high-level language into machine language, and vice versa, just like an interpreter, but in one single step. Working in script mode. Interactive mode is preferred for small programs where only a few commands are to be executed. This is because the output in the interactive mode is compressed between the statements and may create confusion while writing long programs. For writing lengthy programs in Python, script mode is used. Using this mode, we can create and edit Python programs. In this mode, we can save our file so that it can be used later. The complete script is written in editor such as a notepad in Windows. Let's know more. You can press F1 key to use Python help. So that will be all for today. Thank you and Jai Hind everyone. Now we'll cover some more topics in the next module. Thank you.